Well, guys, today is December the 23rd, Christmas in 2 days, and the end of the year is coming very soon. So, of course, quarter one of 2021 is when we are expecting this Apxt merger to go through. And I do believe it's coming positive now. I think it's looking very good, and I think we are definitely coming in good standing for the end of the year. So, tonight I'm going to be giving my predictions for the next few days. And of course, I do this video every single day because you guys do seem to enjoy it. If you do enjoy this episode, please do leave a like and do subscribe. And of course, you know what? If you do want to come and join us on Discord, absolutely feel free to. Link to our Discord server will be in the description. And soon enough, if not now, we should have a join button on the channel. If you do want to join and become a member, absolutely feel free to do that. Right, let's jump straight into this video by having a look at how the stock has been moving, and of course, then shedding some light based on my opinion on how we have been going. On the one day, we are looking very good on the stock. We can see right now, we started off the day on 1550, or at least very close to that point. We're finishing up the day on 1577. Obviously, key points to take away from the day. It's been quite volatile. It has been up and down all over the place quite a bit, but the general direction has obviously been up. We saw a big increase up until about 12, and then obviously then the price sold off, and then it actually came back a bit stronger towards the end of session. So of course, nice to see that did put us in the green for the day, and I'm happy for that. If we're looking at this one on the 5-day, like I said, and I have been predicting this one for a while, the move is well and truly started, or at least it does look to be. Obviously, it's hard to say what's going to be coming next, but my personal opinion is we could see a small sell-off at some point, but I don't think that's a problem at all. Obviously, even at $15, I've said that since about $12, if not higher. Obviously, from that price point, I have said it's still not a bad buy. In my personal opinion, if you're buying in now at 1578, I personally believe, and of course I must stress that I am not a financial advisor, I'm just somebody with an opinion. This opinion could be incorrect and it's just my view. But yeah, like I was saying, if you are going to buy this stock right now, in my view, I don't think it's too bad right now. I personally believe it'll be worth more than 1576 on the day of merge. And I think if that is the case, you know what, you don't really have too much to worry about because basically you will have made a profit. And I do think it will be a decent profit. Honestly, I can see this one going above 20, maybe even above $30. I think it's not impossible at all. And I know it's very ambitious, but I don't think it's impossible at all that this stock could hit $20 before the end of the year. I mean that by 2020, not 2021. I'm very ambitious on this one. I think it could do very well. So yeah, when we are looking at this one from the 1 month chart, we actually have something very nice to report on today. And of course, I've been talking about this one happening for a while. Actually, today it came true, I do believe. And of course, what this is that the stock has actually hit new highs. So of course, new all-time highs today, very, very close to previous all-time highs. Not much of a move at all. It's only 2% higher than what it was previously, but we are at an all-time green level. And I do believe we could see some strength, if not a small sell-off. But obviously, yeah, we're going to see a small sell-off in my view, but you know, this will be only a few hours, if not a 1 day, so of course not very long, and then I do believe we will continue onto the green side. So of course, probability is that sell-off may not occur, but it is possible in my view because we have been climbing for a few days, you know, very consistently with not a lot of drop at all, and that is kind of what we might see before a sell-off. But you know what, that's not guaranteed to happen, and we could definitely see this one take off in the other direction because, you know, it is hard to predict with this stock. There's not too much volatility in it yet overall, in the sense that, you know, it is moving all over the place, but not as drastically as it would, you know, closer to the merger. So I'm not doing too bad at all. I'm very happy with this stock. I'm very happy to see where we are. Personal views, like I said, I could definitely see this one hitting $20 before the end of the month. Now, do bear in mind, it's at $15.72 now. If we just round it up to $16, you know, it's basically got $4 to move in about 7 days. Can it move $4 in 7 days? It probably can if the strength does come into it. I do believe it does have potential to do that. So of course, yeah, my views for this one is obviously it's still a solid buy. You know, we're definitely not in the worrying realm in my opinion, but of course it is just my view. But I definitely think that we're not in the realm where we need to worry about this one being, you know, overvalued before the merger or whatnot. I do think it's going to be a good stock buy in my view, but I would definitely keep my eye on this one for the next few days, just in case we did see that sell-off. So of course, that's just my view. I hope that you did enjoy. If you did, please do leave a like and subscribe. Feel free to join us on Discord, and absolutely feel free to become a member. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye until then.